Hello, Mr. Long. This is FAQ number 2. So, the question provides us with the mass and a chart that shows time and force. So, A asks if a point for a force of time graph because from the chart. So, this is F and this is T. So, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. Then I have to draw a straight line. And that is the chart for part A. So part B, it asks to determine the f(t) function. So B, make it a little thinner. So to do so, f of t is equal to 100 minus 20t because it starts at 100 and goes down by 20 every second. C asks to find acceleration a of t. So A is equal to net force over m. So A of t is equal to net force, which is 100 minus 20t. You divide that by m, which is 5. So A of t, this is 100, is equal to 20 minus 4t. D has to draw a AVT graph. So this is A, this is T, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot the dots. And that's the AFT graph. The information that you can be extracted from the AFT graph is that it shows that V is increasing it also shows that it also shows that V it shows how much V increases every second. So part F, to derive v of t, so we know that. So v of t is the integral of a of t. So v of t is equal to integral of 20 minus 40 dt. So v of t is equal to 20 t minus 2t squared plus c. But we assume that the vi is 0. So we close, we get rid of c. G asks to find the velocity of the thing that from the graph. So from here it shows 20 to 5, 20 going down to 0. So we know that to find the area geometrically, we multiply the we find the area by multiplying 1/2 base height, and that's equal to v of, and that's equal to the v. So v5, so v5 is equal to 1/2 times 20, because that's the height as shown over here, times the base, which is 5, because it 5 seconds that fast. So v of 5 is equal to 50. Oh, this is 20. The height is 20, so you multiply 20 by 5, which is the time. So v of 5 is equal to 50 m over s. So h asks to find it. So h, our formula says v of t equals 20t, so v of 5 is equal to 20 times 5 minus 1/2. Oh wait, not 1/2. Minus 2 times 2, well, 2 times 5 squared. So v of 5 is equal to 100 minus 50, which is 50 m over s. And both of these are vectors, so you should have a direction, which is plus. And they match. I has to derive x of t, so x of t is equal to the integral of v of t. So x of t is equal to 10t squared, which is, you add 1 to the exponent, which is t squared over 2, so 10t squared, minus 2/3 t cubed. Because you add 1 to the square, which is 3, and you divide by it, so it'll be 2/3. And you plus c, but we're assuming that c equals to 0, because so s of t is equal to 10t squared minus 2t over 3. 10t squared minus 2t cubed over 3. So we're setting a position for this time graph, so this is x, this is t. So let's say this is 180. This is 144. One oh eight, 72, 36, 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we wrap it? So 0 at 1 is about 28 over 3, which is here-ish. 104 over 3, which is around here. At 3, it's here. At 4, it's here. And at 5, it's about here. And then we connect the dots. It's going to take a little while to make them look nice. So the first part draws an instantaneous line at 2 seconds. So you plug in 2 into the v of t function, so v of 2 is equal to 20 times 2 minus 2 squared, so we 40 minus 8 is equal to 32. And 32 should be like around here. Let me change the color to a different color. This is this part asks to draw a line for the average speed from 0 to 1. So it should be like that. Magenta is from 0 to 2. So this one says from 0 to 3, so it should be about here. And then it says one more line from 0 to 4 seconds, which is around here. And then the average speed of the cart, it increases. The average speed of the cart increases from 0 to 5 because the velocity is increasing, because the acceleration, it shows that velocity is increasing, which means that the average speed is increasing from 0 to 5 seconds. So average speed increases every second. Another way you can tell is how the lines are getting slightly steeper every single second. And part K, it asks to calculate average velocity between 1 to 3. So to do this, you just put v of t is equal to, v average is equal to the integral from 1 to 3, because that's v of t and you divide that by the amount of seconds, which is 2, and that gives you (31.33 m over s). And it's a plus sign at the start because it's a vector and it's going to the right, which is our line of motion. So this is FAQ number 2, and thank you.